I don't run into conscious people. I encounter, watch. Listen, man. This reality is filled with a lot of glitches, irregularities, or anomalies in nature. Like it does things that defies the laws of science, which is another subject. But I think my biggest contention is I don't really run into conscious. I don't encounter, and this is a fascinating phenomenon, you know. I don't know if I'm chosen, but what I do know with absolute certainty lines. So from a geometrical standpoint, what we tend to observe is perpendicular and diagonal line is what gives off the optical illusion, the three-dimensional optical illusion on a two-dimensional surface. And this three-dimensional optical illusion on a two-dimensional surface is illustrated from a geometric standpoint is when you have these pupni. You know, you have synchronicity and serendipity. You know, synchronicity is when there's a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, or a correspondence in event or occurrence in time, synchronicity. So ambiguity means indecisiveness. So from a geometrical standpoint, what we